Admin set the pace. Here comes Magnum with the response. Oh yeah. Round. 2-1. Here goes Hurricane Ray. Oh, damn. ZK Flash. Yeah. Hurricane Ray, 2-0. ZK Flash, remember, you gotta get it going. Pull it out the bag. Oh, yeah. Oh. He knew. Here goes Magnum. He's got to win this. He's got to win this to stay in the battle. Here we go. Hype him up, crowd. Make some noise. Everybody likes that spot. Okay, that's it. Hurricane Ray and Admin taking 3 votes to 0. Make some noise for ZK Flash and Magnum. Make some noise.